Good afternoon to all. Today our chapter is differentiation of composite function for class 11-12. Differentiate, question number 1. Differentiate with respect to x following the given following function. Y is equal to log of x square plus 2x plus 5 base e. It is given and you have to find out dy by dx. It is a composite function, no doubt, because it is not given log x. Log of x square plus 2x plus 5 means you have to find out first of all derivative of log x after the derivative of this part, bracket part. Just here I am solving. Question number 1, first part, y is equal to given, you have to find out dy by dx of log x square plus 2x plus 5. As per the formula, log x derivative is how much? 1 by x, means 1 by x square plus 2x plus 5. Again, derivative of this x square plus 2x plus 5 you have to write. So what is the derivative of x square? That is 2x. The derivative of 2x is only 2 because x derivative is 1. Take 2 common, 2 whole into x plus 1 by x square plus 2x plus 5. This is the answer, first part. Next to the second part. Y is equal to same thing given log of 3x plus 5 base e given. And it is given, you have to find out dy by dx. It is a composite function or out. First of all, you have to find out dy by dx means dy by dx of log of 3x plus 5 base e. So what is the derivative log? Log x derivative is 1 by x means here 1 by 3x plus 5. Again derivative of this bracket part, that is 3x plus 5. This is called chain rule or derivative of a composite function. What is the derivative of 3x? That is 3. 3 into 1, 3, and derivative of 5 is 0, not necessary to write. So finally, how much getting? 3 by 3x plus. This is the answer. Next question given y is equal to log x base e whole square. You have to find out dy by dx. Okay, just to see. So what is the derivative of whole square? Means 2 of log x. Again derivative of this log x. You have to write. So what is the derivative of log x? That is 1 by x. That is written here. 2 log 1, 2 by x log x, 2 by x into log x. This is the answer. Let us go to the fourth part. Fourth part question given log of e to the power 2x plus 1 base. Not given means base is e. If something mentioned, you have to go in that way. Log of e to the power 2x plus 1 base is dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of log e to the 2x plus 1. First of all, you have to think this is log x given. So what is the derivative of log x? That is 1 by x. Means here 1 by e to the 2x plus 1. Again you have to find out this bracket part, e to the 2x plus 1. So what is the derivative of e to the 2x? Coefficient of x is 2, that is 2 into e to the power 2x whole divided by e to the 2x plus 1. This is the answer of fourth part. Next I am going to fifth part. The fifth part question given y is equal to, just to see, y is equal to 4x square plus 1 whole to the power 1 by it is given. Then first you have to find out dy by dx with respect to power is 1 by 3. The power is 1 by 3, the power will come first. Then 4x square plus 1 whole to the power minus 1 means 1 by 3 minus 1, that will give minus 2 by 3. Again derivative of this bracket part, that is 4x square plus 1. So what is the derivative of 4x square? 8x and 1 divided 0, that means you have to write by chain rule, you have to write answer 8x by 3 4 into 4x square plus 1 whole to the power minus 2 by 3, you have to write plus 2 by in the denominator. And next question, number 6th part. Y is equal to 3 minus 2x whole root over. Root over means power is half. You have to find out dy by dx, that means dy by dx of 3 minus 2x whole to the power 1 by 2. Power will come first 1 by 2 whole into 3 minus 2x whole to the power half minus 1, that will be minus half into derivative of the bracket part, that is 3 minus 2x. So 3 minus 2x, 3 divided 0, minus 2x means minus 2, x derivative is 1. Finally you are getting what? Minus, this 2 to cancel, minus 1 by this negative power will write it down, minus 1 by 3 minus 2x whole to the power 1 by 2, if it come down it will be plus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 3 minus 2x root over 1 meter root over, and this is the answer. Okay, initial few questions today are completed. It is derivative of composite function. Next you see one more question. Let's see. Next question, that is 7th part. Y is equal to x square plus 4, it is given and you have to find out dy by dx. Differentiating both sides, dy by dx, it will be dy dx of x square plus dy dx of 4. X square derivative is 2x. So what is the derivative of 4? That is a constant number. Derivative of any constant number is 0. Not necessary to write. Answer is 2x. Next question, number 8 part. Y is equal to a square plus x square root over. Root over means power is half. This is the question given. First of all, find dy dx, differentiating both sides with respect to dy by dx is dy dx of a square plus x square whole to the power 1 by 2. Then power will come first here, then power minus 1. Half minus 1 is minus half into derivative of this bracket part, that is a square plus a square, x square. A square means constant number 0 and x square derivative is 2x. 2 to cancel, this means x by negative power will down, make it down. X by a square plus x square whole to the power 1 by 2. This is the answer. And next, 9th part. Y is equal to 1 minus 5x whole to the power 6 given. So dy by dx is equal to differentiating both sides. Dy by dx equal to dy by dx of 1 minus 5x whole to the 6. First you have to think for power. Power will come first, then 1 minus 5x whole to the 6 minus 1, that is 5. Into derivative of this bracket part, 1 minus 5x. Okay. So what is the derivative of bracket part? 1 minus 5. 1 derivative is 0, minus 5x means minus 5. Okay. Minus 5 into c, that is minus 30. 1 minus 5x whole to the power 4. This is 9th part also completed. 2 more questions I will do. After this we will stop it. Next question given, y is equal to 2x minus 5 whole to the power minus 1 given. Negative power given minus 1. You have to find out differentiating both sides. dy dx. How much you will get? dy dx. This will be dy dx of 2x minus 5 whole to the power minus 1. The minus 1 will come first. That is n into x to the power n minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 into derivative of this bracket part, that is 2x minus 5. So what is the derivative of 2x minus 5? 2 derivative is 2 and 2 here minus 1 minus 2 into 2x minus 5 whole to the minus. The answer is minus 2 by 2x minus 5 whole square. 5 derivative is 0. And last question today class. Y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 5 whole to the power 3 by 2. It is given and you have to find out dy by dx. Therefore dy dx will be how much? D by dx of x square plus 3x plus 5 whole to the power 3 by 2. Power will come first 3 by 2. 3 by 2 whole into x square plus 3x plus 5 whole to the power 3 by 2 minus 1. That is 1 by 2. Into derivative of this bracket part. That is x square plus 3x plus 5. So what is the derivative of x square? That is 2x and 3x derivative 3. 2x plus 3. 3 whole into 2x plus 3 by 2. And this one is power is half. Half is root over. X square plus 3x plus 5 root over. In this few questions, up to 9 questions are completed regarding derivative of composite function. Thank you for today's class.